clear to land, runway 07, wind estimated 090 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land, American 2763.
Contact radar 1208.
Yeah, man, greetings everyone. Hope you're having a great one. The big ones are back. I told you in the previous video that they'll be coming, and here's the video to show you some of these arriving in Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I got more to tell you, just hold on.
763 arrived at time 47. Vacate Bravo if you can make it. Then clear contact ground 1217.
Bravo and then 0.7 American 2763.
A330 tower, clear to land runway 07, wind is estimated 110 degrees, 10 knots.
0.7 is for A330.
Tower, American 2060, RNP, runway 07.
060 tower, roger, continue your approach.
Continue, American 2060.
Did you hear the news that Bahamas Air is coming to Jamaica non-stop from the Bahamas to Montego Bay starting on the 17th of November? 2 non-stop flights weekly. Woi, I got more. Hold on.
88 confirm rating.
2388.
2388. 907 weight runway 07.
Runway 07, American 2388.
I'm sure you heard Avilo is coming from Connecticut 2 times weekly direct to Montego Bay, non-stop. I said this begins on Saturday, November 16, with Wednesdays and Saturdays being the preferred 2 days for Avilo. Stay with me, I want to ask your opinions on something.
0, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Bravo 121.7, Spirit 833.
Wind estimated 080 degrees, 16 knots.
Takeoff runway 07, American 2388.
Zero 60, wind estimated 090 degrees, 15 knots, clear to land on runway 07.
Runway 07, American 2060.
2388 Airborne 51, contact radar 1208 by.
To radar, American 2388, good day.
Runway 7, flowing. Tower, American.
959 tower, roger, continue approach 47.
We're continuing, American 959. Just over 370 inbound to 07, visual American.
Tower, roger. You can continue fine for left base 07.
So left base 7, roger. Entry heavy to New Home, short shield out.
Stand by departure. This is 0, vacate Alpha, contact zone 1217.
Alpha ground point 7, American 2060, okay?
Arrange to follow the American pilot's discretion. We'll be releasing a Boeing 789 before your arrival.
We'll follow the American 370.
9er clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 080 degrees, 11 knots.
And 959.
Area 3 tower behind landing American Boeing 738, line up behind and wait runway 07. A3, did you copy?
A3.
And landing American Airlines. Line up behind and wait for departure.
07 out the American Air Canada 983.
Nine arrived, 5-6. Vacate Bravo if we can make it. Then contact ground 1217.
Right turn on Bravo 121.7 American 959er.
Area 3 clear for takeoff 7. Wind estimated 090 degrees at 1 knots.
Takeoff runway 07 Air Canada 983.
Clear, clear to land 7. Wind estimated 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land 7, 370 American.
Area 3 Airborne 58, contact radar 120.8, bye-bye.
40.8 Air Canada 983 Heavy.
We arrived at time 59, vacate Delta, contact ground 1217, good day.
Delta 217, 370 American. 1957 will be right at the end.
57, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind estimated 080 degrees, 17 knots.
Clear for takeoff, Delta 1957.
Seven Airborne 01, contact radar 1208.
7, good day. 7, ready for departure.
57, tower line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 7 American 857.
57 clear for takeoff 7, wind estimated 080 degrees, 16 knots.
Off runway 7 American 857.
5 Airborne 04, contact radar 1208.
Yeah, American 857.
So this is what I wanted to ask your opinion on. Do you think JetBlue needs wide-body aircraft? I see them operating flights out of JFK using the Airbus A320 series aircraft, and the flights are like 5 minutes apart, so you have two aircraft coming from the same destination, almost landing at the same time. Let me know your thoughts on the subject in the comment section. Bless up, the man.
397 arrive at time 20. Vacant Bravo, contact ground 121.7, good day.
Contact ground 121.7, see you, American 23.7.
Native 090 degrees, 13 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7 at Alpha United 223.
Tower American 2060, hold in short, runway 07, ready for departure.
American 2060, Tower, roger. Line up runway 7.
Line up and wait, runway 7, American 2060.
223 Airborne 23, contact radar 1208.
28 United 223.
Roger, continue. 21 Tower, line up and wait on 7.
Line up and wait for runway 7, Air Canada 921.
60 Airborne 25, contact radar 1208.
Good day, American 2060.
And 21 clear for takeoff 7, wind estimated 100 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 7, Air Canada 921.
On 7, wind estimated 100 degrees, 15 knots.
Airline capital and normal.
Air Canada 921 Airborne 28, contact radar 1208.
Air Canada 921. Good afternoon, Virgin 107 Heavy is fully established on 07 9 miles.
Virgin 107 Tower, roger, continue approach.
Approach, Virgin 107.
29, vacant Delta, contact ground 1217.
Vacant Delta, ground
07 Tower, clear to land on 7 with estimated 090 degrees, 12 knots.
Clear to land, control by 07, Virgin 107.
Zero 07 arrived 3878 Alpha, contact ground 1217 when clear.
1217 when clear, Virgin 107.
Clear to take off 7, wind estimated 090 degrees, 13 knots.
Runway 7, United 1206.
Departure, that is 030.
Okay, 030 heading United 1206.
Tower Frontier Flight 17 on the RNAV runway 7.
Frontier Flight 17 Tower, clear to land on runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 15 knots estimated.
Runway 07, Frontier 17.
60143, contact radar 1208.
Departure 1208, good day. Good afternoon, Condor 2162 on the RMP approach 07.
162 Tower, continue approach 47, number 1, traffic 3 miles.
Condor 2162, we are continuing the approach.
Arrived at time 52, vacate Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Victor Bravo and on ground point 10 Frontier 17.
2162, clear to land, runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 15 knots.
2162, runway 07, clear to land.
162, arrive 55. Vacate Alpha, contact ground and clear 1217.
Condor 2162, roger, vacating Alpha, ground 1217. 7 on the RNP, 07 approach.
2927 tower, continue approach.
Approach, JetBlue 2927.
To land runway at 15 knots.
Runway 07, clear to land, JetBlue 2927.
JetBlue 2927 arrived on the L, vacate Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Switch to ground, JetBlue 2927.
929 clear for takeoff on runway 07, wind estimated 070 degrees, 17 knots.
Clear for takeoff, Southwest 929.
Seven contact ground 1217.
JetBlue 2927, goodbye. Southwest 929, switch to departure.
120.8, take care.
Good day.